Okay, so we're here in the beautiful Alamo Plaza, and it started raining, and we're stranded, and we're right by the pet shop.
So I learned Pop Shovets, not Pop Shovets, just Shovets, about a day or two ago, and they're still sketchy, but I'll try and land one. It might take a few tries.
Oh, will you now?
What am I trying to do? Like a boneless? Like, I don't even know. I thought I could boneless. I was really. Okay, let's try a boneless.
Alright. Good edit. Time to cut it. Or. What is he doing? Oh, he's doing a trick. He's doing a trick.
Cool longboarder stuff, you guys.
Skateboarders can't do this because they're not as cool as us. And alright.
Helmet messes up my balance.
Yeah. Alright. And there goes your nice, beautiful board.
There we go.
Sweetness!